On this slide you can see why BlackBerry is not a hype stock, and I think they really have a long-term value. And I decided to start this video from this slide because I really like when YouTubers give you instant value. And here you can see a business transformation from device to software. In 2014 it was a hardware company with gross margin 36%, and now they transformed to software company with gross margin 76%. And you can see at adjusted EBITDA it was $194 million with revenue $6.8 billion. And here you can see $149 million with only $1.1 billion in revenue. I think it is absolutely amazing. And if you would like to know the prediction, continue watching and smash the like button. And this fresh presentation, you can see that BlackBerry secure 96% of the enterprise threat landscape, and you can pause this video and check other interesting things. And here you can see non-GAAP revenue, earning per share and gross margin, and they are profitable. And you can see a recurring non-GAAP software product revenue 90%. 92% dollar-based net retention rate. It is a super good rate. BlackBerry software used by 17 governments around the globe. Domain controller for Xpeng sedan. They are working in the new niche and they are already profitable. And the market forecast for 2021 will be $38 billion. And we know that they have expertise, and I think they will be able to be a must-have software provider for endpoints. Plus they already working on 175 million vehicles, and I really like this sweet 26% software and service revenue growth. Everything with double digit, it is really nice. And when I see 20 plus, it is a ding bell for research this stock. 9 of 10 top automakers and 9 of 10 largest banks working with BlackBerry. And I think you know some of these names. It is Google, IBM, Ford, and Amazon already worked with BlackBerry, and now I think it is just some sort of hype news. Maybe they are pushing this stock. I don't know. I saw some data, and some of analysts predict that in 2035 we will have 65 billion of smart things or Internet of Things, and all of this amount of things will need some protection. Smart home, smart city, cloud services, and I think the partnership with Amazon Web Services really nice, because it is really hard to calculate all data on edge computing, and actually you need to produce lots of edge computers. Amazon Web Services have lots of servers all over the world, and maybe they will be able to calculate everything not on edge computers. Maybe they will calculate it on a cloud services. It is the second important slide in this presentation. Recurrent software product revenue 90%, gross margin from 80 to 85, operating income 20-25%, and with these numbers in operating income, they will easily make X10 in 10 years without any problems. When I recording this video, the price now around $8, and actually I bought it for a really small amount of my portfolio. You can check all posts, but they are boring and you wouldn't find anything specific because they're doing them not really good. And here you can see how they're acting right now. Nothing special in share dilution, they are just fluctuating near 550 million shares. Operating income not really nice, minus hundreds of $1,000,000, but I think it is not a problem for the stock. And you can see that short interest not really high, only 30 million shares, and maybe it will be a good fuel to start a short squeeze. And you can see how they swipe from phone sellers, I think, with gross profit margin around 30% to a really sweet company with profit margin close to 75, and they planning to grow it too. If they will able to do what they plan, it is yes to buy stock, and not really for short time hype. I think the stock will be able to show us X10 in next 10 years. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.